Hi guys, I'm Odyssey2 from uklocksport.co.uk. I got a package through the post the other day, was unsure what it was, so just opened it as you do. But as you can see from the writing on the box, it's a pick set and it's the Corbeau. Don't know how you pronounce that, so I really do apologise. I did get a few years ago some picks, a long time ago, and I don't know if these were the sort of prototypes. I think the sort of Corbeau or Corbeau stands for crow or raven. That's the original picks that I got, like I say, a long time ago. These were the original ones, but I found them to be a little bit too flexible, but beautiful to hold. Like on there, where the position of the, that's like obviously the city rake. Holding in the hand, it fits beautifully there. And Bill did a review of these I think a couple of months ago to say he was unsure if he could sort of pick for European and USA locks, but as he clearly stated, he can. So for us in the UK, what we tend to do is pick down on pins. I'll use this hook. Because our locks are situated the other way around. So there's a nice little groove just in there for your finger to go in. Sits nicely there. Pick down on the pins. US locks, you would generally go upwards. So again, another nice little groove just there. So that's the original ones I was sent. The designer of these picks is my Urbex, and they are, like I say, beautiful. I think I've got 5 of these originally. Shrink wrap came with them, so I popped that on. I say I just could not get used to them being a little bit flexy or too flexy. What I've done is popped one of the newer designs just below the original one, and what they've done is made the metal slightly thicker than the originals and shortened them a tad. Now I've made a couple of little notes. The original picks were 0.4mm thick, so that's this one there, and the latest, which is that one, is 0.5mm, or odd readings I were getting were 0.51mm thick, and shorter, obviously a bit more robust. So I'll pop that to one side, get the other picks out. They come in a lovely protective plastic case, and just spread those out a little bit. They're the ones that I was sent. When I watched Bosnian Bill's video, obviously place a comment side the original ones, and my Urbex kindly sent me a message and said send me your address. I don't think he could believe I actually still had the original ones. So in this one I've got, pop them out, including the one on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and sort of 8 on there, which is the half diamond. So there's lovely hooks there. What I want to do is give them just a bit of a sanding here, there and everywhere, just to polish them up a little bit. And then I'm going to put the shrink wrap on, which also came in the package, same colour as what he originally sent me. So they are lovely, really, really nice to hold. You want to really have a good play with these. Also in the package, like Bill showed, it's a fantastic t-shirt. Not sure if you can see that properly. So that's a t-shirt that actually comes with the pics. Step back a bit. So that's a great addition. Back in the box. Like I say, there's a few pics here. So we've got nice sort of hook there. City rake. Snake rake. And a little triple peak, which is a great addition to any picking kits. Now this one is a half diamond with a notch sort of taken out of the tip, and that is to engage key pins better. You can actually feel the key pins dropping in. A few picking companies do this. A nice reacher. And another nice hook. So I've measured Peterson's and Southard sim lines, and also these. So mention the diameters of these, which again, original ones were 0.4 millimeter. These are 0.5 or 0.51 every now and again. I don't have any of my Petersons out, etc. But the black handled Petersons are 0.61 millimeters. That's like the black handled. The blue handled, which at slim lines, are 0.36 millimeters. Southard's are 0.55, and that's the slim lines. So I think they've made a great improvement with these. A little bit of a polish, and I'm going to have a really good play with them. So my Urbex, thank you so much, my friend, for sending this package out. The lovely pics. You are gentlemen. Cannot wait to try them.
If you are newbies to lock sport, guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. I'll put a link in the description of where to purchase these fantastic picks. Again, thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.